Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going straight into the recipe. I am using one clean plastic bag, which I used a plate to outline a circle, and I'm cutting out that circle, and then I should have two circles because I used a double-sided bag. These are going to come in handy later. For my ingredients, I'm going to be using Maseca and water, and Maseca is the brand of choice in Nicaragua, so I'm definitely going to be using that. And I'm using 2 cups of Maseca, 1 cup of filtered water. And that is it. That's all you need. You don't even need to add salt or anything like that, just those 2 ingredients. And then you incorporate it really, really well. And these tortillas can be used to make tacos, enchiladas, burritos, repochetas, flautas, anything that has a tortilla, you can use this recipe, and you can also make them thinner for the Mexican version of a tortilla. I'm using a tortilla press for this. If you don't have one, you can use 2 plates, but always use the plastic to make sure the masa does not stick onto your surface. And I'm using about half a handful, which I rolled in my hand. If you have the tortilla press, it's much quicker and easier, but the 2 plates definitely do the same job. And voila, you have your tortilla. Make sure you take off the plastic before you put it into your pan. Mine is at medium-high heat. And I lay it in, make sure you lay it in flat because it's kind of hard to get it first. I even made a little mistake there. But you leave it for about 30 seconds on the first side, and you use a damp paper towel or napkin to press on it just to create that bubble and second skin. And this is a traditional Nicaraguan tortilla. Once you flip it, you can leave it on there for about 10 to 15 seconds more, and then it is ready. Make sure you put it in a clean towel just so that it stays warm while you cook the rest of your tortillas. And that is it, you guys. I'll see you in the next video, which will be very soon. Bye.